2014 or 15 Chevy Malibu 2.4, which is finished removes the spark plugs. And yeah, that was sending number 3 and sending number 4. Sending number 3 is the one that came out like that. So right now we're putting out sending number 2 and see how that one comes out. And this sucker comes out. Oh, yeah, that's pretty rusty. Camera's having a hard time focusing on this. Yeah, this engine's not good. So we got spark plug number 1 already loose. We can go ahead and remove this one off. This one's alright. So number 3 and 2 are the ones that are bad. This is on a Malibu. And like I said, it's a 2013.